and welcome to the Suddenly Podcast Show. I'm your host Kirana, and today we've got an amazing episode lined up for you. I'm super excited because we're joined by a great friend of mine. She's awesome, she's Thailand, and she's from Overfall Alpha. Please welcome Humay.
Hi everyone, my name is Humay.
Humay, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good and a little bit nervous because this is my first time to make a podcast.
I totally get that. It's all good vibe for here. So for this episode, we're going to dive into the life of student and all the cool stuff we get up to. I hope you guys are enjoying the podcast as much as I am. I've been having a blast on this journey and I can't wait to share more with you all. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the episode with me with Humay from Overfall Alpha.
Okay, thank you Kirana. It's great to be here. Let's do this!
Okay, Humay, what was your first impression when you first set foot in the Indonesian Aviation Academy Banyuwangi and become a student?
Honestly, I thought I don't need to graduate here. I just what did I say last time? I will just go to state university. That was my first thought when I stood in front of Apip. But my parents' prayers to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala that they pray so strong. So I have got accepted here and here I am. Use this and these uniforms. Having been at an Islamic boarding school for 6 years, it felt similar, just a different environment. In here, in this school, we are pushed physically, mentally, socially, and all. You got push. Okay.
Wow, so at first you didn't want to go to another boarding school because you already done that?
Bestie. Exactly. And what about you, Kirana?
I was super excited because this has always been my dream and my parents full support me, so I'm really happy to be here. So, Humay, you share your story of how you came to terms with being a student and you live here. Can you tell us about some experience as a student that you love and that make you not regret choosing this school?
Okay, sure. Since I have been here for a while, I've adapted and started to enjoy it. I have met a lot of friends, and one of my favorite experience was the jungle and sea experience. That the best ever. And snorkeling with my friends was the best experience of my life, because I never go to see what its name? Just forget it.
Yes, the jungle and sea experience is definitely a highlight. Speaking of which, what is boarding school life like? What kind of activities do you do?
The activities are a bit different from regular students because we live in a dormitory with stricter rules. We have to follow the institution's guidelines, which builds team spirit and discipline. We look out for each other and maintain a positive attitude.
Since getting late, shall we wrap up for today?
Yeah, we could probably do a whole episode on dorm life alone.
True, Humay. So before we wrap up, do you have any motivation for people who want to become student of API Banyuwangi?
I have. Just go for it, feel the tiredness, enjoy the process, don't just talk about, experience it with all the science too. And I have a quote for you guys. Life is not about finding our true identity, but about creating who we really are. Don't back down, finish what you started. Okay?
Wow,
You have
that's
to
inspiring,
finish.
Humay.
You have to finish what you started. Okay, don't just look back. No.
That's inspiring, Humay. Thank you for that, and thank you everyone for tuning in. Stay healthy, stay motivated, and keep chasing your dream. We hope you're learning something from this podcast. Goodbye, thank you, and bye-bye. Tadi aku bilang, tanya
udah
the fantasy with
It's okay.
langsung
Namanya juga spontan.
Oke, anjir, salah tadi with
It's okay.
Oke, langsung tak treng gitu kan?
Ya.
Treng gitu ya.
Mas nanti when